How's it going, guys? Today I decided to make a video about crypto because I haven't for a little while. And so I guess like a week and a half ago or so, I made a video just talking about why I was not going to buy Bitcoin even though it dipped pretty good. And I basically just mentioned that the coronavirus was making everyone freak out and that um, I don't know, the market kind of crashed, but then that's why I wasn't going to buy any. But then I saw that it spiked up a couple of days later, and I could have made money on that. So I decided to go ahead and buy again at this last dip. I bought some Litecoin, and here I am on Robinhood. I was just going to show you my little portfolio. Most of my crypto holdings are actually in Coinbase, but I just decided to play around a little bit with Robinhood so I can trade. And I'm not like trying to, they're not sponsoring or anything. I just like to use Robinhood because they don't have any fees. And so I bought some Litecoin a few days ago, almost 4 Litecoin. You can see right here under cryptocurrencies, 3.97 Litecoin. And I bought it at $50 a piece because it dipped down pretty hard that day. This was like 3 days ago. I actually bought it while I was laying down in bed. My wife wasn't super excited about that because I was just looking around at stocks and stuff. So, yeah, so I put $200 in it, and obviously it's not doing super hot right now. In fact, wow, it's dropped 7% today alone. So, yeah, from $50 down to 45. Let's see on the 1 week. Yeah, Robinhood I feel is a little bit difficult to read sometimes. Yeah, so at the beginning of the week it was in the low to mid 60s, and then it dropped down, and I guess I bought it, let's see, probably around here when it was around $50, and then it went up a little bit, so I could have sold it there at $51, but now it's just still dropping, and now it's down to 45. So cool. Yeah, I'm just going to hold on to it because I don't like to sell and lose money. So yeah, volatility high. No kidding. Anyway, that's what's going on right now with that. And I know I haven't talked much about crypto lately. I still have faith in it, and I know it's not going anywhere, so I do like to invest, and I still have a decent little bit of holdings of crypto in my Coinbase account, like I mentioned. So don't take any investing advice from me, but I went ahead and bought some, and I'm still holding on to it. Maybe it wasn't the ideal time to buy into it, but whatever. So let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking about crypto right now. Sorry I haven't talked much about it lately. I've been mostly talking about real estate stuff, but I still would like to talk about both. So let me know in the comments and leave a like on the video. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you also hit that subscribe button for other videos about investing in both real estate and crypto and some other stuff too. And thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.